Right now, the most important negotiation in real estate isn't about price, repairs, or closing dates. It's the conversation many agents would rather skip: expectations, compensation, and choice. And you know what? That hesitation is understandable. These conversations feel personal. Sometimes they feel awkward. They feel like one wrong sentence could totally derail a relationship. So instead, a lot of agents fall back on safe sounding language like, well, this is always how we've done it. Most agents charge this. Well, the market expectation is such and such. And here's the problem: those aren't negotiation strategies, they're avoidance strategies. Good negotiation has never been about steering someone toward your preferred outcome. It's about helping them make an informed, independent decision. And in today's world, that distinction matters more than it ever has before. When agents lean on vague city norms or industry habits, they unintentionally remove the very thing negotiation requires: choice. And without choice, there's no real agreement, there's just compliance. Strong negotiators do the opposite. They slow the conversation down, they explain options clearly, and they ask better questions. What matters to you most? What concerns you about the approach we're taking? What would make you feel like this whole thing was a little more fair? And they listen without defending. They clarify without persuading, and they let clients decide, even when the answer isn't what they hoped for. And that's really important. And by the way, that's not weakness, that's professionalism. It's going above and beyond and taking yourself out of the equation. The agents who thrive in this next chapter of real estate aren't going to be the slickest closers. They'll be the clearest counselors. And the most important negotiation skill set right now is the ability to stay present when the conversation gets uncomfortable and resist the urge to fall back on old habits when what they really need is clarity. I hope this makes sense, because the next great negotiator is the one who really understands, number one, what their clients are going through, and they have a clear picture of the entire negotiation. Have a great day.